I'm tired of losing this hair. You guys can see it, right? My hair have really grown. So I'll lather it all over my hair. When a lot of people complain to me that their hair is breaking too much or it's not growing, their hair is stagnant, so I found out that 90 to 95% of people that have hair care problem is that they don't know how to take down their hairstyle. So today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial of how to properly take down your hairstyle so that you will be able to retain length. Good morning, family. Hope you all are doing great. So we are back with another video. Another video. So I'm back to Zaria. I traveled to my mom's burial 2 months ago, and after the burial I made this hair. But this hairstyle has been here for like 6 weeks and it has to go. I have been doing some treatment, that's a ginger and onion treatment, both the ginger peel and the onion peel, fresh ginger, and even massaging my scalp, hair growth oils and lavender oils, a lot of treatment. Okay, so please subscribe and like this video. Let it reach to thousands of people. That's the only way YouTube will be like, oh, this video is doing so well, let me share it to other people. So please like my video, share to other people that you feel that may need it. I'm going to start off by cutting this hair. I'm not even going to lie, I am tired.
So as you can see, I've already taken down half of the braids. Well, first of all, the braid is very long, so I cut it off, making sure not to cut my natural hair. That's why I actually made a colored one, because if I used black, I think I would have cut off my natural hair by now. So I noticed there's a knot there. Instead of struggling to pull out the knot, what I did was to add a moisturizer. You can use any conditioner of your choice, leave-in conditioner. It will help to soften it up so that it can easily glance through. You can easily release the knots and not break your hair in the process. Majority of you guys are not patient when taking down your braids, and that's exactly when breakage occurs. And this hairstyle, I will not term it as a protective hairstyle. This is knotless braid. I made it because it's been long since I actually put extension on my hair, and I admire the one my sister made. It's exactly the same thing. She made something like this but using black hair extension. So I was thinking the woman that will make the same woman that made hers, we will notice that we have two different hair textures, but it seems like my own hair texture was kind of difficult for her to handle. I will leave the link in the description box for you guys to watch. This is what the thumbnail looks like. So I really had to fight on my dear hair, and if I'm being honest with you guys, it took me like literally 2 days to take down this hairstyle.
And left with just one braid. I can't wait to finish. If you're new, please subscribe. We're almost on 5,000 subscribers. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any future upload by Moa, and share it. Okay, share it to different people, share it to different individuals, share it to your loved ones. Okay, thank you. I don't know why I'm acting this way, honestly. I really do not know.
When I was done taking down this hairstyle, I noticed that I had to trim my hair. The split ends were just too much and I could not leave it. If I leave it to stay longer, I'm very sure my hair is going to damage. So the upcoming videos you guys are going to be seeing, you'll notice that my hair will look a little bit shorter, and that's because I've already trimmed my hair. I trimmed it today as editing this video. Okay, so I had to trim it. I wasn't able to trim it to show you all, and that's because my camera is full and there's no space. So I'm trying to edit this video so that I can create space for upcoming videos. So you guys will notice that I cut off like 2 inches of my hair, so I had to trim it because I've not trimmed my hair throughout this year. Although I tried to control hair breakage when detangling it, just that I trimmed off the split ends so that my hair won't be damaged.
And I'm done. I am done. I'm done losing my hair. My head feels so light. So it's time to divide this part of my hair into 2 sections so that we'll have 4 sections all together. So the mistake a lot of people make is that they start detangling their hair immediately they take down their protective hairstyle or any hairstyle they have on. And the second mistake is that they use this type of combs to detangle their hair. This is not a detangling comb and this is not a detangling comb either. Get a wide tooth comb. You can see it, wide tooth comb, and a spray bottle that contains water. I've mentioned this a lot of times on my channel. You do not detangle dry hair because it's going to break. Okay, so just imagine having indomie or spaghetti. You want to break it, you will notice that it can easily break. That because it's dry. So when you sprinkle water on your hair and you go in with a conditioner, then everything will move on smoothly. Okay, we do not put our hair in a protective style for 6 weeks to lose it just in one day. Okay, so as you can see, I'm rubbing my hand through it, and while doing it, you're going to notice that you will be removing the hair that is shedding. I don't know if this camera can see this. Yes, so this is what it looks like. You have to be extremely gentle. That's why sometimes I think I mentioned, it's the time I mentioned in one of my videos, that if you're in a hurry, if you're having a bad day, or if you're hungry, angry, don't touch your hair because the natural hair will frustrate the hell out of you. So I'm going to go in with my conditioning, my leave-in conditioner. So I'll lather it all over my hair. Then you go ahead to detangle, starting from the tip.
When detangling your hair, make sure to start with a wide tooth comb like I mentioned earlier. Then you start from the tip of your hair and walk up to the roots of the hair. Don't start detangling your hair from the root. One of the mistakes the woman that was braiding my hair made was that she wanted to detangle my hair from the root, which is not even possible. And not only that, it's going to cause hair breakage, I'm going to have headache at the end. So please detangle from the tip, then walk up to the root, then you twist and repeat the same thing. Okay, I have a video that is going viral on Instagram and on TikTok, which is how to use onion and ginger peel for hair growth, and that is one of the remedies I used while my braids was on, and I'll still keep on using it. So you can actually use that to grow your hair. You can check out my Instagram at the Brenda Okolocha to see the video. I pinned it at the top of my videos. I'm so surprised that this video is actually performing well on all platforms including TikTok. So let me know what you think. Have you used this remedy before? Let us know what you think in the comment section. Please give an honest review because I have a review of someone saying that it really works for her. So guys, that is it. Thank you all so much for watching this video to this moment, and see you all in my next upload. Okay
Guys, obviously my hair needs to be trimmed, and I'm going to do that off camera. For the amount of hair that came out, this is the amount of hair that came out after 6 weeks. 6 weeks. I think this is like okay, this is even small. Probably because I detangled my hair in a simple way and not do it the rough way, and I wasn't detangling it in a dry state. So if you found this video helpful and you're new here, please do well to subscribe to my channel and like this video, share it to your loved ones, and let me know what you all think in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and see you in my next upload. Bye.